Let me ask you something. Are you tired of your current job, or would you like a job that actually allows you to make money while you sit at home? Lucky for you guys, the pandemic made working from home much more mainstream, and a lot of companies now offer jobs online. There are a ton of companies looking for employees to work for them online, and in this video, we're gonna go over some of the best ones that you guys can apply for right after this video. So stay around for the whole video, and guys, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into it. Also guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I wanna help you guys out, so if you have any questions, like I said, just leave them down below. First one on our list is called Activist Connect. These guys are one of the leaders of outsourcing customer positions around the globe. They work with companies specializing in healthcare, insurance, retail, financial service, HR, and IT. They offer flexible working hours, generous retirement saving accounts, and can get you valuable experience in the industry you're most interested in. Some of the positions include customer service, project manager, and SharePoint administrators. Additionally, I've done some digging for you guys as well, and most of the customer service related positions only require a bachelor's degree or a minimum of 2 years of experience. In order to qualify for these positions, be sure to meet the minimum requirements and express your interest in gaining experience while hoping to move up in their company. I also linked their application down below in the description. Next on our list is Hubstaff. Hubstaff is a well-known online tech company around the world that not only ensures that you get a flexible working from home job, but they also create an amazing company culture that makes them very lucrative to work for. They provide in-person as well as virtual annual retreats. Some of their open positions include mobile developer, business development representative, and product manager. Check out their listings in the description below, and while some of their jobs may require multiple years of experience, the business development representative position, for example, only requires 1 year of experience. Their company motto is having no corporate campus, no cubicles, no geographic limit to who they can hire, and their team is always growing. A fantastic opportunity if you want to be involved in the tech field. Robert Half International. One of the most recognizable companies in the world is Robert Half International. They are a global professional staffing and consulting firm and have been ranked as one of the 50th happiest companies in America by Career Bliss. Who wouldn't want to work for a company or agency like that? They'll get you connected to a wide-ranging fields such as legal, HR, recruiting, accounting and finance, administrative, and computer and IT. They offer part-time, full-time, hybrid schedules, and 100% remote jobs that you may qualify for. Just looking at their job boards, they consistently post open unfilled positions daily, which means they currently have a need to fill all their vacancies, many of which are work from home positions. These include payroll specialist, graphic designer, administrative assistant, and content manager. While most of their positions do require a college degree, experience, and certifications, there's still plenty of positions that require no experience. Last on our list is Concentrix, maybe the most popular call center agent companies in the world. Concentrix currently has multiple job offerings that need home customer service agents. What makes this company stand out is the fact that they offer amazing benefit packages from medical, dental, paid vacations, and 401k benefits. Some of the positions only require a high school diploma, and with good salary and flexible work from home environment, Concentrix might just be your favorite place to work. To wrap this up, guys, there are countless opportunities out there for work from home jobs, so do not settle. Keep applying, see which ones fit best for you personally, and you know what, don't settle for anything less than you guys deserve. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, like I said earlier, make sure you leave them down below. Anyways, take care, have a great rest of your day, guys.